Transmission Company of Nigeria, the TCN in Birnin Kebbi, Kebbi State, is gutted by fire. The immediate cause of the fire is not known yet. Some residents of Mechanic Village in Birnin Kebbi metropolis, where the TCN office is located, said they only heard a loud bang followed by a thick fire and smoke section of the electric installation. The fire was still raging and extended to other facilities around at 1 a.m. Friday morning. The development comes hours after fire outbreak on the Kainji Jebba 330 kilovolt line triggered the collapse of the national grid and resulting in the nationwide power outage on Thursday.